Hey buddies, welcome back to my channel DIY Vindy. In our last video we have seen how to make glass colors with only 2 ingredients that's available at home. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make stencils in a simple way. So I hope you'll watch the video till end. For making stencil at home you'll need any old file or stick files. If that's not available you can also use watercolor sheet. So you'll just need any transparent sheet. Before we start, I'm going to replace the knife with a new one so that I can cut out the designs easily. This one is available in Amazon. I'll provide the link in the description box. If you don't have this craft knife, it's completely okay. You can just get a new one from the stationery shop. And in stationery shop, there are even cheap cutters available. You can buy them also. You should be really careful while making this project because you might cut your fingers while cutting the designs. So you should have some patience while concentrating on these designs. So here is the design. I got this from Google and took a printout, black and white printout in the shop. So first fix this in a place and cut out the extra sheet. And now I'm going to fix this and stick with masking tape. You can also use normal transparent tape. And now let's start cutting out these designs. You should be really slow and steady because one wrong cut can damage this design. I hope you can see this clearly. So finally I got my stencil design, a beautiful one. You can also give a try at your home. This is really simple. If you want to make single stencils like a leaf or heart, you can give a try with these paper cutters. These are really helpful in making stencils in an easy way. So here is how we do. Let's see how this stencil actually works. This is a treasured box I'm doing. I'll be uploading this video in a week. So coming to this video, you should take some amount of texture paste and apply over this stencil using fingers. You should not move the stencil while applying this texture paste, or else you will smudge the design. Always try to highlight the stencil design. So here I'm giving gold on black. This is Fevicryl metallic gold powder. So normally you can use brush to paint this metallic powder. Instead you can also use your fingers. For stencil design, I would recommend to use fingers to paint. Try making stencil at home and comment below your experience and how it turned out to be. So I would really enjoy the comments. So please comment below your thoughts and ideas, or if you have any doubts. Thanks for watching this video till, and if you really like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment, and also press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications, instant notifications. So meet you in the next video. Take care.